friends, do you all want to know what's inside my nanny bags? Yes. Do you all really want to know what's inside my nanny bags? Okay. Actually, hi. I'm Azlia. I'm nanny. And I want to reveal all of you what's inside my nanny bags. So, this is my personal belonging bags. And there's my personal belongings inside. So this bag is full of my makeup. Yeah, because every day we work like tired and we sweat a lot, especially when we take care of babies or 1 year old and below. You know, 4 months to 1 year old baby is still tired and sometimes we sweat. And this is my bags of makeup. I've got foundation and a powder and foundation cream and all the lipstick and colors and all of that. So what's important is I need to bring along, essentially it's one color, and this one is for me, a copy for me. I bring along a checklist form to make sure before we take care of baby, so we need a checklist form. And then number two, after we finish to care of baby, we need a report form, okay, to make sure that the baby is safe. Alright, and inside my personal belonging got the, you know, in case it's like first aid kit, youth mall, and a little medicine about flu, cold, cough. Okay, so first, so this is my personal belongings. I love the smell. I just use a baby cologne spray. Smell good. Yeah. And of course, this is what's inside my nanny bags, because usually all of the kids love it. Number one is the slime. Yes, slime. You know, it's a slime, but it's not suitable for 3 years and below, because actually the slime cannot go through the clothes. When it goes to the clothes, then it's hard to remove it because it's made of the glue and water. So it's just, but it feels so cool, you know, so cold. You like, you squeeze it and release stress. Actually, it's good. It's good. It's got 8 different colors. This one, this one's orange color slime. I've got 8 different colors, the purple and not colored, it's a white color, red, green, and yeah, kids love it. But make sure if you want to give to kids, make sure you wear the maybe plastic apron, and to make sure it's not go through the clothes, because once it comes to the clothes, it's hard to take it off. You must wash it. Yeah, seriously. And then this number 1 is slime. Number 2 is a Lego. Of course, kids love it. Legos. Yeah, Legos. And number 3 is clay. I got slime and I got clay also. That's a clay. It's similar like Play-Doh, but it's harder. It's a clay. Kids love it. And then what is this? A bubble. Yeah, a bubble. There's a bubble. I bought it at DIY. There's a bubble. And this is the bubble. Kids love it. Okay. I've got lots of bubbles. 3. And in my bags also. before. Yeah, kids really love it. You see? You really love it. And then next is, oh my god, that's clay. And the baby 1 year and below got sounds, the balls as well, and the turtle, you see, a turtle is more suitable for 1 year and below. Got 5 different turtle. I brought them all at DIY shop because it's cheaper. Yeah, you can find too many cheaper stuff and kid stuff also there. Yeah, yay! And this is one. And the little pony as well. I bought it at Happy Meal. McDonald's Happy Meal here. And all of them is a shape for the clay that I showed you just now. Kids love it. A pineapple shape, a dinosaur shape, a butterfly shape, a chicken shape, or maybe a bird. Okay. A banana shape, a whale shape, and of course a drawing block, because they love, you see, they love to color them a lot. Love to color. Love to color. Yeah, lots of coloring books there. You see how creative they are. They color the books. Oh. And if there's a coloring book, there must be a color pencils I put inside here. Yeah, I put inside. Yeah, there's lots of color pencil here. A lot of color pencil. Okay, and next one is suitable for like kids like 6 years old or 5 years old and above, 5 years old to 12 years old. They love it so much. Arts crafts, you see the arts craft is so beautiful because it got the colorful scents, and then the colorful like pink, blue and green, and you must put inside here shape and become like this. So cool, right? I bought it at Eco Shop only. It's like 2 ringgit. It's so cheap, so that's why I bought it. And kids love it. Okay. And a glue also to make a craft. This is a craft glue, especially for craft. And this is gold powder to like put a glue on the paper and sprinkle some gold powder on the paper. And also, last but not least, for 5 years to 12 years old kids, they love to make a chocolate DIY. You know chocolate DIY? I tried it at my home just now. Kids gonna love it because it's full of chocolates. It's cooking chocolate. I bought it at Eco Shop. It's only 2 ringgit. It's so cheap. And also here, Cocoa Crunch also at Eco Shop. This is a cooking chocolate. You must have it. You must have this inside your nanny bag. And the cheap M&M one is only 2 ringgit. M&M. And chocolate rice white color. Ooh. 2 ringgit only. 2 ringgit only. So cheap. So all very cheap. And you know what happened? So delicious. Wait a minute. I'll bring the chocolate rice first. Yeah, I'm back. and this is the DIY chocolate rice I made by myself. It's so delicious and so yummy, and it just made about less than 5 minutes, guys, to melt the chocolate. Okay, less than 5 minutes. And it's so delicious. No need to buy it outside. This one, Cocoa Crunch plus the strawberry cooking chocolate plus the M&M plus the chocolate rice and the pink color as well. So so that's all.